The Tamale High Court, presided over by Justice Emmanuel Brew-Plunge, has annulled the parliamentary election results for the Kpandai constituency and ordered a fresh poll within 30 days following a successful legal challenge. A petition was filed by NDC candidate Daniel Nsala Wakpal, who claimed that the December 7, 2024 election was tainted by serious irregularities. He alleged inconsistencies in Form 8A, the pink sheet, which you know as that, from 41 polling stations out of the total 152, arguing that these breaches violated Regulation 39 and 43 of the Public Elections Regulation, CI 127. In its ruling, the court agreed that non-compliance with electoral regulations materially affected the integrity of the vote. It has accordingly ordered the Electoral Commission to conduct a rerun of the parliamentary election in the entire constituency. In his judgment, Justice Plunge intervened decisively, demanding that the EC restore credibility by organizing a transparent repoll. Here is lawyer for the petitioner, NDC's candidate, Daniel Nsala Wakpal, and Tanko Rashid Computer, Deputy Director of Elections for the NDC.
We must say that we are grateful to the court. We are grateful to counsel who assisted. As I introduced them, myself, Counsel Musa Mohammed, we had Eugene Aweti, we had George Adagbaja, and among others. For us, our case before the court was very simple. We had a rogue Electoral Commission district electoral officer who decided to abuse discretion. Now, what is important, and why this case is significant, is that at every district election collation center, there are certain rights that are preserved for the candidates. Now, when the polling station closes, you move to the district collation center, and that's the parliamentary collation center, and certain things can be done there, including asking for a recount of even the polling station. Now, when you say that there are disturbances at the collation center, the law is clear that you either adjourn it to the next day or you can adjourn it even for a week.
For having done justice to the good people of Kpandai. All along, the NDC has been saying that there are several crooked electoral officers who are bent on stealing people's mandates. And one of it is what has been exposed today. We said it time and again that the seat of Kpandai was the seat for the NDC. They rigged the election, and we've been saying it time and again that we will continue to expose crooked electoral officers who will continue to rig election. We will stop them. We will make sure that the NDC will prevent such rigging machinery of the then MPP and their crooked collaborators in the Electoral Commission.
The sitting member of Parliament for Kpandai is Matthew Nyindem of the New Patriotic Party, who was declared the winner in the December vote, and his lawyer Sylvester Isang says though they disagree with the decision, they will respect the court. Sylvester Isang has filed for an appeal and stay of execution.
In the heat up to the trial, we heard of several things, and we didn't take them for granted. We believe that the petition was frivolous, but the court has decided otherwise. So we respect the decision of the court, but we strongly disagree with the judgment, and we have already shown our aggrievement by filing a competent notice of appeal, and we've added a motion for stay of execution. As a lawyer, if you are picked certain information that judgment will be compromised, you prepare. So you come for the judgment with a notice of appeal in your pocket. And that was exactly what I did. And I had a section of my client that he should be bold, whatever decision that is affirmed, because we knew that was what was going to happen. So it's not even surprising at all. And so the only fight left for us is to follow the due process of the law. And that is by filing a notice of appeal.
I want to put it on record that I'm still their MP. Although, like the lawyer said, we were in court. And before we came to court, I can say for sure that for about a week, we knew that things were not going to be right. Our opponents were jubilating. They were saying all manner of things in Kpandai. And they were too sure that this is the judgment they were going to get. But as law-abiding citizens, I want to put on record that, yes, we respect what the judge has said. We vehemently disagree with him. I know that I won the election with a difference of 3,734. That is a clear victory. And if you look at the pink sheets, it's on record that they've admitted that every single pink sheet was given to all the political parties. I have my 152 pink sheets. They have their 152 pink sheets. And if you put the results together, we have won the elections. For some reasons, powers that may be, they decided to come to court, and knowing very well that maybe they'll be able to use the state's powers to overturn certain things. But I think that we are in a country that is governed by laws.